What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. So today I'm going to show you guys what is the absolute best seat covers you can ever buy in order to protect your seats. I've got here a new work vehicle that I've just picked up. It's a Ford Ranger and I did choose the option with the leather seats. I know leather seats aren't the best thing for a work vehicle. However, when it comes time for resale, leather seats are going to give me that little edge in order to get the maximum money when it comes time for resale. So what I need to do is make sure that I look after these seats by protecting them with an awesome little seat cover. What we're going to be installing is these seat covers right here. So it's a Neoprene, I think that's how you say it, material. I'll put the link in the bottom so that you guys can actually see what they're called. It's basically a wetsuit material. So you can see on the bottom here, we've got a nice grippy section, nice thick padding. And because it's a wetsuit material, it's going to give you that maximum abrasion resistance. You're not going to have a very hard time to kind of damage these seats, the seat covers, and they're also waterproof. So if you spill coffee, drinks, if you take your kids in the car, you throw your tools on the back seat, whatever it is, it's going to really protect your seats and make them last. So I've got my old work vehicle, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. I had the same seat covers on for about 4 years and my seats are in perfect condition, absolute mint condition. And that's the reason why I actually recommend these seat covers. It's not just something that I just picked up and I've just realized that they actually look good or they feel good. It's something that I've used in the past and I will continue to use them in the future. And that's the reason why I wanted to share that with you guys. So I'll show you quickly my old car and how good of condition my old seats are in. Alright guys, so this here is my old work vehicle. It is a Mitsubishi Triton or L200 or L300 depending on the country that you live in, and you can see the seats are absolutely perfect. 4 years of hard abuse. I'm not joking at all. I had all my tools on the back seat. I've had screws in here, drills in here, circular saw, everything sits in the back. No one really sits in the back of these seats. Pretty much just in the front seat is the only things that are occupied, and you can see we've got perfect seats. Everything is looking 100% original, and that's why I really love these seats, and I wanted to the seat covers and share it with you guys. If you are looking for seat covers, you want to make sure that they're actually going to do their job. They are a little bit more expensive than your general seat covers, or actually a lot more expensive. The whole set for this last car here that I purchased were about $500. New car, they haven't dropped in price over 4 years. They're still $500 for a full set on the car. But as you guys can tell, they do their job. So they are 100% perfect condition. I've spilt bleach on the back, I've spilt water, coffee on the front seat. The kids run up and down on these seats. They love it for whatever reason. They think it's a little game, but like I said guys, the results speak for themselves. So these here are the old seat covers from the old Mitsubishi Triton. After 4 years of abuse, you can see we've got some sort of chemical that I've spilt on top here. This is one of the front seats, so you can see there's a fair bit of wear on the front seat, but when we look at the back, beautiful little example here. I spilled some sort of chemical or something on the back of the seats, but because they are 100% waterproof, nothing got through to the actual fabric and they were 100% protected, as you guys just seen in the previous video. That's why I really love these seat covers. Everything's really nice. After 4 years of abuse, my seats have come up perfect. So I'm going to install them now on the Ford Ranger and I'll show you just how well they hold up and how nice they actually sit on the seat themselves. And once they're installed guys, this is what it ends up looking like. So we've got the center console, nice stitching all the way around. We've got the cutouts for all the little mechanisms to still work. Even on the back seat here, you can see we've got the little latch to lift up the seat. Same thing on the back. We've got the armrest as well, so we've got a little zipper cut out there so that the armrest is still functionable. The headrests are all nice and tight. I really like this stitching. Everything sits really nice on these seats. They conform, they sit very tight. One of the best things about it is they're actually airbag safe, so it's a very important thing to have a look at. Make sure that the seat covers are not going to get in the way of the airbag and that they're still going to operate as they're supposed to. In the back seat, everything looks nice and tight. Once again, these do not go anywhere. They don't move. Very nice and protective. We've also got some Velcro on the bottom of the seat cover here, and that sticks onto the bottom to make sure that nothing moves out of the way and everything stays the way it should do. So everything's nice and clean here. I really like these. The only reason why I've actually mentioned this guys is because when you look for seat covers, you want to make sure that you're going to actually buy something that's going to do the job, especially when it comes to protecting your seats. That's pretty much the biggest reason why most people buy seat covers, and you want to make sure that it's going to do its job. They are pretty expensive. $500 for the set, like I said, but they're each designed for the particular car with all the little cutouts and slots and everything to work as it should, and that's the reason why they charge that little bit more. This one here is from the company called Supertrim, and the only reason why I've even mentioned their name is because I've bought their products before, as I've shown you guys previously in the other car, and they work 100% the way I'd expect them to, especially at that price point. If you want to protect your seats, guys, these are the ways to go. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.